couple of kids made an attempt to write the world's greatest song. Matching words with melodies, power chords and minor keys, wondering if everyone would sing along. Well, dreaming big, little thunder, time is always on your side. No one knows it, so they wonder if time will pass them by. When the rhythm and soul gets in your blood, the bass drum pulls with the mighty tug, in your mind starts to speculate. From a secret hideout underground, as the Frankenstein we built out of sound, really strong enough to bear the weight. We'll drop the seats down in the border. Somehow we'll make the pieces fit. No one knows it, so they wonder if this is really it. It sounded like this, like that. It sounded like this, like that. Blew out the walls, 'cause the bass was so fat. Filled up my head, was loud, was bright. And whenever one heard it, everybody knew things were gonna be alright. Well, alright.
Thank you.